Hey, what's up everybody? This is Paulio Jr. And in today's video, I wanted to show you, which I now do not have. If you go into your task manager, you will see CPU, memory, and your disk. And a lot of people have been having issues with their disk running at 100%. Even if your Windows installation was completely fresh. And this is a very simple solution. I did make a video about it before, but maybe I wasn't as specific. So I will show you exactly how to get rid of this specific, error message. Okay, so I'm holding the phone here, and what we're going to do is we are going to hit the Windows button on the keyboard. Or no, I'm sorry. We are actually going to search CMD, and then we are going to run it as the administrator. Yes. Okay. We're going to do a check disk /R. Okay, if you can see that, hopefully. And I'll turn it off just so you can see it. Right, and after that, you're gonna hit enter. Right. And now it'll say, would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? And this is where you would hit yes, and then you would hit enter. Okay, now I am not doing it at the moment because I did this before. So long story short, once the next time you hit restart, there's going to be an option that says that is going to do basically an error inspection of the hard drive and fix any sectors within the hard drive that are causing this issue. And it could take anywhere from a half hour to 2 hours, but it is worth it because you will no longer see this your disk, the 0% disk that says right now was running at 100%, and slowing down a lot of things. So, but once you do the check disk /R in the CMD, you reset it and you just let it do its thing, let it run for a while. It'll run back into Windows, and that problem should be completely eradicated with zero issues. So yeah, that's simple. So check disk is one of the best built-in Microsoft whatever you want to call it, services, programs, etc., that will fix certain sectors on the hard drive to make sure that you will not have that issue again. So after you did hit that, reset the computer and then just let it run its course. Okay, and then once it's restarted, you should no longer have that issue. So I hope that helps you. All right, see you guys.